Good morning from Bocas de Toro, Panama. This is my first time in Central America. You know, surprisingly, we're starting this first excursion on a boat on the water. Super excited. Today we're going to be going to a chocolate farm, learning how the plant actually grows, getting it roasted, how they actually make it into chocolate paste, all the way from the raw form, all the way to adding a few different ingredients. And hopefully we'll get the chance to speak to some of the indigenous population here. See, this is why I love to travel. Just experiences like this. I can't get this in Texas. Okay, I know the excursion kind of has not really started, but just that trip alone from the cruise ship to this boat was like 100% worth it. Smooth. Seems like there's a lot of coconut trees and a lot of banana trees, Dad. A lot of coconut trees and banana trees, and a lot of dogs living their best life with no owners.
Please to try this with confidence because this is 100% with chocolate. You have to be very careful because sometimes you can make a mistake and split up your finger. Yeah, because this is not a machete that this is a knife. We use machete. We use long machete. Dale, plum. The freshly fruits what you've seen right here of the chocolate. And this is the way how the indigenous people eat cacao raw. It's not like with sugar and milk. Indigenous people move from Peru to Guatemala and Mexico.
Oh, it's wet.
Because they was eating chocolate. They use this for energy.
Is this chocolate?
The chocolate and
it
the
is.
cookie.
It's the beginning. It's not like
To
we
both
have to
of them, they
process
was
it.
using for give them energy to cross over.
What do you think, Dad?
Okay, I'm supposed to chew it all
That's
up.
why that is medicine.
It's hard.
Not all of it, I guess. Okay, what do you think?
It's sweet, but it's hard. I can't bite into them.
Yeah.
All right,
Damage
that's
the people,
cacao.
But this cacao prevent all of
Is
this.
that a seed?
Give you a lot of energy, give you a lot of memory. You know, cacao.
Yeast, on vinegar, on sugar, have everything. That's why I don't need water. Just we have to come around every day and we have to store the seed. Right. So this process, you know, we have to be it's so delicate because sometimes we don't do this job very well. The seed will be germinate, you know, will be a plant because normally every single seed like this one means make a tree.
And then after they grind it up, we get to know what they do over there and they know what we do over here. You know? So this is the raw, but this is the medicine part.
This is the medicine part.
Yeah, this is the medicine part.
Okay.
Yeah, raw. Everything when it's raw is more better than when it's cooked.
Natural.
Yeah. It's pure, it's bitter, but this is the real. It's not taste so good like sweet like sugar or like, you know. But
This is the good stuff that we don't do no more. Okay, that was really powerful.
okay, so yeah.
What do you think, Dad?
Okay, something different.
I didn't know it was medicine until today. But
Yeah,
it tastes like dark chocolate, but it has no sugar or smoothie, creamy milk or anything in it.
okay, so now ready?
Wait, so this one's the roasted, the other one was all natural.
Natural, yeah.
Okay.
This is the roasted one. Already shelled
Thank you.
without shell.
Yeah, before.
It does taste like a...
Today you want to see. You wanna what we do.
Wow. Definitely better. What do you think?
I'm moving from this morning from 7 in the morning.
I do want to eat it, I have to admit.
He got some funny look. Hey, he
kinda
got
like-
a funny expression when he bites it.
We
He goes,
work individual.
But I do want to eat it.
You know, when we have cacao farm, we have 3 requirements: love, passion, dedication. Mostly when it's organic plantation because we have to do a lot of activity. That's why, you know, we have to be like have patience.
Yes.
Every day, you know, every day.
Okay. I think I watched.
You can hold the rock.
Yes. Pass the motion. I feel like I got left alone. No guidance.
Actually, you're doing a good job.
Basically, come to a coffee, well, I'm in the wrong place. Come to a cacao farm like this here in Panama, in the jungles, and see where chocolate comes from. Organic, none of that stuff that they're killing us in America with. Come to Panama and see how your life can change. Okay, does anyone else want to? Or do I have the, or that's it?
Yeah, that is
Come to see a beautiful lady in there.
I need to definitely.
Oh, she's not going to have yours next.
So,
You beat her, Chan?
not good. So this is the chocolate, the cacao paste. And you said that I can try this and I won't die. I'm just kidding. I'm not going to die, of course. Okay.
Yeah, because we don't really. Davion, I want to try this.
That's very powerful. Very powerful. Don't take too much.
No, thank you.
Take a dab first. It's very powerful. Right? Wow. Do you want to try that?
This is 90%.
Oh.
Mix it with some oil. There you go.
That's all.
Now this is 90%, you said?
Yeah.
Mixed with some oil?
Coconut oil.
Coconut oil. And honey.
Yeah, this is good.
Okay. Gracias. Thank you, Dad. Thank you for letting me try such experiment. Thank you.
You're sweating there.
Yeah, I am. Whew.
Yeah, you're hot there.
All right, so now this is some chocolate, 90%, but this has been mixed with cacao or coconut
You gotta
oil
be careful out there.
from the actual plant itself. Okay, well, not coconut oil, from cacao oil. Chunky peanut butter. Wow, man, look at that paste right there.
You got dirt in your shirt.
Oh, wow,
Yeah, good.
that's amazing. I feel like it's amazing because I've gone from eating it from very raw form to roasted to sweating on that rock and trying to make the powder to this mixed with some of the oil. Wow, this is, it really makes you appreciate some chocolate.
Gracias. What is moi moi?
Koi moi.
Koi moi.
Thank you. Means
Koi moi.
And y'all's
Your language.
Okay.
Koi moi.
Koi moi. This video is sponsored by Windstar Cruises, and thanks to them, I was able to make this content for you guys. Able to go on excursions where you get to go into the actual jungle and experience a chocolate farm and the actual fruits, learning from the indigenous population and how they actually cultivate the cacao tree. I can't say nothing enough, but just Windstar Cruises has given me the opportunity to see a lot of different places on a ship with less than 400 people, traveling from the ship all the way to Bocas del Toro. The whole process itself, you don't have to think at all. And with that, salud, Balboa. And if you would like to take Windstar Cruises, I have a link in the description. Man, cannot believe there's chocolate hanging above me. And then even bananas. Okay, I can't give, the best explanation, but your people, Indigenous, what is y'all's name and what does that look like? Like a brief, small history, I guess. Because I feel like being African American, we don't really know a lot of different Indigenous people in the Americas.
Yeah. Hello, my name is Orlane. I'm a tour guide from Oreva, means cacao. We do cacao tour here. We are Indigenous and we have a native language. But here in our place, in our community, West River, we do like we grow more cacao. Here in this place, and banana and different things, fruit, and I am so happy to be here in this place and grow here because we have our own natures, like technology and things like that. But we feel very grateful having our plantation and drink chocolate every day. This is more important.
Every day.
It's more important for the Indigenous people from here. Yeah.
Okay.
And
Man.
now, we do this activity to make a little bit income for the village, for support different people when they don't have some income or like, when we have also some accident because everybody don't have like insurance cards. When we have some accident, we save money for this purpose.
So I don't know if you want to answer this part, but how do you feel the Panamanian government has treated your people? Because I know how the U.S. has treated
Yeah.
indigenous people in the U.S.
Yeah, but I feel the government have to motivate more the indigenous people, because we don't have a lot of support, supporting from
Okay.
the government. We are a little bit alone, mostly in cacao producer, because
Okay.
now we have the own co-op, and we're trying to mostly export cacao, but we would like to have our own factory here in Panama.
Own factory?
Yeah, in factory and in Panama for sell our own chocolate, our own product, local.
Okay,
here
because
in
I'll be honest, I was looking for that. I was like, okay, can I buy some of their chocolate that they've made, like the whole process?
Yeah.
Because I feel like y'all would put more love into the chocolate. No offense to Hershey's chocolate, I don't like it, but that's what I feel like is missing. I do want to come back though, and I want to try to spend like maybe 2 weeks here, and I would love to work on the farm from like start to finish and try to do like a little small documentary.
Yeah, that's the thing that we mostly need, and we want from the government, to support that in that area, because we don't have like too much money for buy like a big fish machine. In this place, in the like we say like a little village, and we are not like have the a lot of support. I don't know why, but it's happened with our tribe. We are like a little bit alone.
And then I'm sorry, what was your name again?
Darlene.
Darlene?
Yeah, it's like a
What?
Darlene.
Davion.
Davion, nice to meet you.
I will make a promise that I will be back to this farm, hopefully in 1 year, to make a video. That's the plan.
Oh, that's the plan. Oh, really?
That's the plan. So you guys know that anytime I do feel like someone's done really good or something, I love to give them a coin. So this is an American silver eagle. So this is an American silver eagle, and for the comments in the video, I really do appreciate it. So it says $1, but it's worth its weight in silver. So it's 1 ounce. It's 1 onza. 1 onza. See. So right now it's about $32. So always look to see how much 1 onza of plata. Plata? Is. It's $32 right now. So I would not sell it for 1.
But this is money?
See.
Yeah?
$30
See.
What?
in United States.
1 onza plata, 32 right now.
But we can change that in the bank?
I would just keep it for yourself and then sell it to someone else. Yeah.
It's okay,
See,
okay.
This is to remember him.
Yeah.
Gosh,
I going with you. And
Okay, thank you.
okay.
I'm gonna leave them.
Okay. Dad, so what do you think about the chocolate farm?
I wanted to get some
Piece
of
of
the,
little latitudes.
I really enjoyed it. I wanted to take a bag of the raw chocolate before they even roasted it.
Oh, because of the weight. Okay.
So one of the biggest things that I learned was that they actually do not make their own chocolate here, and that they need support from the Panamanian government to help them out with getting the equipment, getting the funds, so they can actually produce that. Because right now, they're growing the cacao and shipping it to Switzerland, and we know Swiss chocolate is
You can put your feet on the seat. ¿Quieres que le ayude?
all right. Whew, made it out. I can't take this life jacket though.
You're safe now.
Do you want me to take your bag, ma'am? You want me to take your bag?
Oh, yeah, if you don't mind, that would make it easier to maneuver. Okay, and I'm much better. Appreciate you. You're so sweet.
Which one do you recommend? Balboa cerveza?
Yes, the best.
Okay, I'll take.
He wants one Balboa. And I'll just put it on mine.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Y'all
When you-
go have fun.
Of course. When you go to a local place, you got to make sure that you get a local beer.
Yes. Okay.
Ah, salud, salud.
Yeah.
Apparently, this is the cerveza to actually drink. Balboa. Salud. Oh, that's a good beer. I would say that's a solid 8. Solid 8. I'm not going to lie with you guys. I did not know what to expect when coming to the Caribbean. But Central America, I will be back. I promise I will make a video on Central America. I will stay here for 3 to 4 months because I have not been this happy since probably the Philippines. My name's Davion West. Sadly, I don't know where I'm headed to next, but I know I want you to join me. Follow me to 195 countries.